Yo, hey guys, Cam Perryman here, and I am back again with another product. Let me show it to you. Webcam. There we go. So this webcam right here, let me move this a little bit out of the way so we can see it, is a full HD webcam with microphone and privacy cover. It's 1080p. It is used obviously for your computers, maybe for gaming. It works with Zoom, Skype, Teams, all that neat stuff. Basically, if your computer can use it, you can use it. Let's see what's inside this box here. And oh, a colorful guide here. Let's go ahead and close this back up. There you go. Get into the bag. Look at that. Not too shabby. I like the mounting setup here where you can get this to sit on your computer. Oh, you do have a quarter 20 right here. Really nice. You can see that there, right? You got a quarter 20, and then you have this mounting system that you can just set it up onto your monitor and have it actually be more like this. There you go. You could set this onto your monitor in such a way that it just sits there. And maybe more importantly, that might be something that we can just go and do. But let's go ahead and talk about a couple other items here. It does have USB, yeah, type A. It does have a pretty lengthy cord here. And again, for your privacy, if you're worried that somebody's taking a look on your camera, you can take this guy and snap it into place and then just pop it open as you need to and then close it back down. I like how it just kind of sits there. Let me center it properly. And then you can just flip it up. Yeah, you can just flip it up and use it, and you don't have to worry about any prying eyes. So what we should do, let's just go ahead and plug it in and see what happens, right? Got a nice little red light that just popped up. There it is. Just immediately plugged right in. I'm going to tell you what, guys, I am literally going to see if I can, yeah, I should be able to switch right over to it. But here's me holding it. Let me switch to it. There it is. Wow, that is a good looking camera, right? I mean, what do you guys think? And what I love about it is I don't know if it's echoing. I hope it's not because it does have its own microphone. But right now, as the camera is on, I have a green light. Let me tip it so you guys can see. Let me switch over here. See, I got a green and a red light simultaneously. That's interesting. Very nice. So switch back over to here, and then I'm talking to this camera. It's 1080p. This is not bad at all. Now I know it's moving because I'm actually holding it, but that is pretty darn quick, pretty easy to set up. I literally plug and play. Nobody is going to be able to mess around with your camera if you've got this closed up. It is simple enough. Let's go ahead and switch back so you can see here, right? And then of course you have the ability to pivot this on its platform. You can tilt it back, tilt it down in basically any direction. Simple enough, plug and play, built-in noise reduction microphone, multiple operating systems. So I'm using a Mac Mini, and it is literally, like it said, plug and play. Smooth live streaming. I can use this even in my videos if I really wanted to. This is pretty cool. Now, let me go ahead and just switch it back real quick for you. Check that out. Wow. Nice. Right? I mean, it's pretty darn good. It's a really good looking camera here. So if we're sitting over here and you can see, yeah, it's over to the side. Don't want you to look at too much of my crazy room over here, but it has 6-layer glass lens. It's H.264 code. It delivers razor sharp picture and high resolution, fluid 30 frames per second. So that's what it looks like to me, 30 frames per second. And more importantly, let me talk about this over here that I wanted you guys to see. It just means that the company has provided this to me so I can show you guys all about it. So once again, a full 1080p webcam camera that you can use, just plug and play to basically almost any operating system, and you can just plug it in and go. And it works flawlessly. And it looks pretty darn good. You guys all know that a lot of those older webcams just, and I don't even mean that much older, just not that great quality. This looks really good. I am really impressed with this webcam. So, guys, I hope this was helpful for you. I do appreciate your time. And I'm out.